This is an instructional video on how to assemble the teriyaki chair. You will need 1 teriyaki seat pan, 1 bag containing bolts, washers, and an Allen key, 4 wooden legs. You'll notice that there are 2 legs labeled A and 2 legs labeled B. Keep the labels on while you're assembling the chair so you don't put the incorrect legs in the incorrect location. Step 1. Place leg B into the rear housing on the bottom of the chair. Ensure the holes are aligned. Place leg A into the front housing of the bottom of the chair, again, ensuring the holes are aligned. Step 2. Before screwing the legs in place, ensure you have a washer with each screw. Secure the legs in place with 2 screws on each leg. Use the Allen key provided to tighten each screw. This has been an instructional video on how to assemble the teriyaki chair. Thank you for choosing Cafe Solutions for all your cafe furniture and equipment needs.